Hello my friends, welcome back to the Alpha 1982 YouTube Paracord community. Today we're going to create this beautiful paracord bracelet designed by our friend Pavel Makurin from the Cetus 550. For this bracelet we're going to use this 6-strand paracord bracelet core with the 2 working ends. The full tutorial how to make this core you have in the top right corner of this video in the information cards, also down below in the description box. As well, there you can find the tutorial for this awesome paracord bracelet I am wearing today, so don't forget to check the information cards and the description box down below. So that being said, let's start. So we're gonna take our gold paracord and we're gonna insert it from the back through the cow's hitches. So let me just zoom a bit so you can clearly see and pull it through between these 2 cords. So from the back through, so when we insert our gold into our bracelet core, we're gonna start with the weaves. So we're gonna take the left green and make it on top of the bracelet core. Also with the right strand, we're gonna cross it and make it on top of a cord. And now from here, we're gonna insert our gold cord into the middle between the 3rd and the 4th core strand from each side, right or left. So in the middle of a bracelet core, and then we're gonna return it, and from the back we're gonna pass it into the gap between 2nd and the 3rd core strand from the right side. So into the gap here and pull it. Now we're gonna do the same on the left side. So into the middle, through, and then from the back side through the gap between 2nd and the 3rd core strand from the left side. So from the back through the gap and pull it through. And now we're gonna take the red strand cord and we're gonna make it around, and from the back we're gonna pass it through the gap between 2nd and the 3rd core strand from the right side. So through, pull it all the way, and then through the loop. The same with the left one. So from around and from the back through the gap between 2nd and the 3rd core strand from the left side and pull it through. Now we're gonna repeat. So take the left one on top of the bracelet core, the right strand also on top of a bracelet core, like so. And now the gold one from the top into the middle, like so, around, and it will exit from the back through the gap between 2nd and the 3rd core strand from the right side. Pull it through and do the same with the left strand. So from the top into the gap in the middle of a bracelet core, and then from the back side through the gap between 2nd and the 3rd core strand from the left side and pull it through. Now take the right strand cord and make it around, and from the back pull it through the gap between second and the third cord strand from this right side, and then through the loop. And the same on the left, from the back through the gap between second and the third cord strand from the left side, and then through the loop. So here we are, our today's project is finished. I hope that you like it. If you do, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends and family, and if you're not subscribed, consider subscribing and hit the bell button so you'll be notified whenever I post a new video. So that being said, until the next time, stay safe, be well, and wishing you just best. See you soon. Bye.